In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online, social media, AI. You'll learn practical ways to earn using AI, the tools that make it faster, and how to start small and scale with confidence. Begin by launching an AI-powered content creation business. Use AI to draft TikTok ideas, YouTube Shorts scripts, blog posts, social captions, voiceovers, and even thumbnail concepts. A simple workflow is to brainstorm an outline with an AI writing tool, design visuals in a graphic editor, polish short-form videos in a mobile-friendly editor, and schedule consistently. Pick a clear niche, keep your formats repeatable, and aim for volume without sacrificing quality. Next, sell digital products. Templates, prompt packs, ebooks, Notion setups, planners, and social media kits are all proven sellers. Marketplaces make listing easy, but validation is key. Scan top sellers, read reviews to spot gaps, and design products that solve a specific problem. Start with one product, then bundle and upsell as you learn what customers want. Offer freelance services powered by AI to work faster and deliver more. Virtual assistants, copywriting, video editing, graphic design, and social media management are in demand. Use AI to research, draft, and repurpose content, then refine with your personal touch. Build a simple portfolio using samples or personal projects and look for clients on reputable freelance platforms. Consider faceless YouTube channels. AI can help you write scripts, generate voiceovers, source or create images and B-roll, edit videos, and add captions. Monetize through ads, affiliate links in descriptions, sponsorships, and your own digital products. Keep topics evergreen, respect copyright rules, and test titles and thumbnails to improve click-through rates. Leverage affiliate marketing with AI. Promote products through TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, or blogs, and use AI to draft hooks, captions, and SEO descriptions. Choose trusted affiliate programs, disclose affiliations, and focus on honest recommendations. Track what content drives clicks and double down on winners. Create and sell AI-generated art and designs, posters, wallpapers, t-shirt graphics, stickers, and printable art can be listed on print-on-demand or handmade marketplaces. Upload strong mockups, use relevant tags, and update listings based on seasonal trends. Provide AI automation services to businesses. Set up chatbots, automated email sequences, customer support flows, or content scheduling systems using popular automation tools and AI assistants. Start with a small pilot, price for setup plus ongoing maintenance, and document each workflow so clients can see the value. To accelerate results, choose one income stream first, post consistently, learn basic marketing, build your audience, use AI to save time rather than spam, and reinvest early profits into better tools. Beginner-friendly picks include AI TikTok creation, Pinterest affiliate posts, faceless YouTube, AI ebooks, template design, and freelance VA work. Helpful resources